Good morning, although you might be watching this at a different time. It is Ms. Hoffmeyer here, and I want to talk to you about setting up a place value chart. Right now, we're just going to go to the thousands place. So I'm going to adjust my camera here, give you my whole page, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to put my name up here in the upper hand corner, and I am writing in ink pen. That is a big no-no. Do not do math in ink pen. I have to do that now so I make sure you can see it. All right, so I'm setting up my place value chart. I always want to start on the right, where my light red line and my blue line intersect, I should say. I'm going to put my decimal. The decimal separates the whole numbers from the parts. So if I had some change, some coins, it would go over here, but I'm not going to do that just yet. All right, so I'm going to use my light red line to draw my first vertical line here, okay? And I want to do 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 2 fingers should line up just about right. I'm going to make a little mark here. 1, 2, 3, and then my other one lines up just perfectly on my red line over here. It's not exact, but that's okay. I don't need it to be exact. I'm going to use this sheet of paper to help me draw a straight line. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I've got a piece of paper. It's got an edge. Why not use it? Okay, see, not a perfect line, but I'm okay with that. It's just something I can work with. Notice that I'm going above the line a little bit. Another non-perfect line. And we're good to go. We're going to do place value charts with more places, but again, right now we're just going to focus on these first. So the smallest whole number place is my ones place. I want to make sure that I spell this correctly, and I want to show the numerical value of that. Okay, and then our number system is built on tens. I can only put 0 through 9 in this place. So once I get to 10, I have to move over a place. And then 10 times 10 would be the hundreds place, 100. And then I've got my thousands place. So this one is my skinny column here. So I'm gonna need to tighten up my writing. And we'll talk more about periods later, but this is a comma. So it's kind of like a dot on the line and then a little tail that hangs down. Okay, so I have asked you to do some things in your place value chart. Okay, the first thing I've asked you to do is put the number in with base 10 symbols. Okay, so I'm going to start in my smallest place, and in this case it's a 6. So I'm going to show 6 ones with dots. And like we talked about, I want to do a row of 5, because as we move forward, it'll be easier to keep track of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ones. Okay? Then for my tens place, I have an 8. I have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I have 3 hundreds. All right, so 3 hundreds are going to not fit 5 in a row, so I'm going to do 2. I can work with 2. Okay, so there are my hundreds. Now I have thousands. We didn't talk about drawing this, but this is where we draw a cube in base 10. So I'm going to make a box. Hopefully you have somebody that can help you here. And then I'm going to start in the middle of that box and make another square coming down. Okay, so I put a corner in the center, and then I came down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my corners to make a cube. Okay, so there's one cube. Again, a box, dot in the center, come down, make another box, and then connect my corners.